Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Etherscan. First, understand that MetaMask is your digital wallet for interacting with the blockchain, while Etherscan acts as a public ledger, showing all transactions. They don't directly link with a button, but rather work in tandem. You use MetaMask to initiate actions, and Etherscan to verify and explore those actions on the network. This synergy helps you keep track of your assets and transactions with ease. To effectively use MetaMask with Etherscan, it's crucial that your MetaMask wallet is configured for the same blockchain network you wish to explore. For instance, if you're looking at transactions on the Ethereum mainnet on Etherscan, your MetaMask should also be set to the Ethereum mainnet. You can easily switch networks within MetaMask by clicking the network drop-down menu at the top of the wallet interface. This ensures consistent data viewing across both platforms. Once your networks are aligned, viewing your transactions on Etherscan is straightforward. After completing a transaction in MetaMask, navigate to the Activity tab within your wallet. Here, you'll find a list of your recent transactions. Click on a specific transaction to view its details, and then locate and copy the unique transaction hash. Paste this hash into the search bar on Etherscan's website to see a comprehensive breakdown of your transaction, including its confirmation status and associated costs. Beyond individual transactions, Etherscan allows you to explore your entire wallet address history. Simply copy your public MetaMask wallet address and paste it into the Etherscan search bar. You'll then see a complete overview of all transactions associated with that address, including token balances and interactions with smart contracts. This powerful tool provides full transparency into your digital assets, helping you monitor your portfolio and understand your on-chain activity with great detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.